Welcome to Cyber Theo. Today, I'll show you how to use the Libby app for borrowing ebooks from your library. Libby makes it easy to access thousands of ebooks and audiobooks right from your device. Download and install Libby. Get the Libby app from the App Store or Google Play, then open it and find your local library by entering your zip code or library name. Sign in with your library card. Use your library card number to sign in. If you don't have a library card, you may be able to sign up through the app. Browse or search for ebooks. Explore the library's collection by browsing categories or using the search function to find specific titles. Borrow and download ebooks. Tap on a book you want, then select Borrow to check it out. Once borrowed, you can download it for offline reading. Customize reading settings. Open the ebook and tap the screen to adjust text size, background color, and other reading settings to your preference. Manage loans and holds. Access your loans and holds from the Shelf tab. You can renew, return, or place holds on books as needed. That's it for using the Libby app for ebooks. Happy reading! Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo.